Today, I'm going to introduce two products, DR.Drawing Revital Cream and DR.Drawing Vitality Cream. Both of these creams are for after MTS and PMU treatment. Revital Cream is packed in white and blue box. The name of the product and our brand name is on the front and back. On the side, there is direction and ingredient list. You can open the box by pulling up the white part of the box from the blue part. Vitality Cream is packed in black box with our brand and product name on the front and back side. One side has English version and other side has Korean version of direction, ingredient, and caution sign. When you open the Vitality Cream box, you will see the cream packed in small pouches. One pouch is to use at once. There are 100 pouches in a box. It's easy to carry around since it's packed in small pouch and also it's hygienic. When you pull up the white part of the box, you will see the Revital Cream in 50-meter container. The container's pump is vacuum pump to avoid any contamination and impurity to stay hygienic. Vitality Cream's viscosity is a bit high compared to Revital Cream. When you apply it on the skin, it will keep the skin coating last for a long period of time to protect skin and prevent damages. Revital Cream is soft cream type and absorbs fast to skin. It keeps moisture to stay moisturized for a long period of time. As I mentioned, Vitality Cream's coating ability is remarkable. Therefore, it's perfect product to use after tattoo or semi-permanent makeup treatment. And also, it protects the skin that was irritated from the treatment, and it helps to prevent itchiness after a treatment. It minimizes producing dead skin after a treatment, boosts treatment, and colorization after a treatment. It also affects on itch skin, such as atopy skin. Revital Cream, moisturizing and absorbing is remarkable. Therefore, it's perfect product to use after microneedling treatment, MTS. It calms the irritated skin after the treatment and keeps moisture for a long period of time. Also effective to use as a daily nourishment cream. And for men, it's also effective to use as after shaving cream.